lots of these actors that are not just representing international brands, but so many actors, not just the mainstream movie stars, but artists that are doing some incredible work and our cinema being recognized. Now, when you walk on a red carpet internationally, go for an event, it's not just the diaspora that knows you. There are countries beyond, the Asian countries that our films release in that are recognizing your work and acknowledging you. What has been your experience, or rather share one experience you've had where, like I know you've attended the Red Sea Festival recently, where you've had people who are not from Asia and have not consumed a lot of our work, don't have come from our culture, but are truly acknowledging the work we do. Have you had an experience that you'd like to share with us?
I think the global impact that films have is absolutely insane, because I have seen not just, of course, in the recent films, but this has happened to me in 2023 when I was in a taxi. I was in London, and he was a local, and he started singing my grandfather's song to me. Yeah. Because he had watched all of Raj Kapoor's films. Yeah. And he was like, I have seen his films and I can't believe that you are sitting here. And he actually sung in Hindi language. He sung Mera Joota Hai Japani. Wow. So I think for me that was a really great moment of pride, because he also sang it so clearly in our Hindi bhasha that I felt that look at the impact, look at what is happening. And he actually, he made me realize that the kind of love that we as a nation, our films are getting, and the way they're still watching it. I think Dadaji's film was quite old. It made it in the 60s, 50s.
Well, actually your grandfather, your illustrious grandfather, Raj Kapoorji, actually, I think was one of the pioneers of creating that global footprint. I believe Russia, there was a premiere he had in Russia, and beyond that, even in Japan and everywhere else, people know his songs, they know his movies. And I think he, in many ways, began this journey.
He began journey, and I think cultural relations started with that because of the impact on the films that they were watching. And the best part is, I think today also people are watching our films. Earlier, they would be dubbed in different languages, like maybe German, French, whatever. But today they are enjoying actually watching the original Hindi language movies. And that is something which I really love and I feel great about.
Kareena, your films from the very beginning of your career, of course, have appeased to the diaspora. Your films have done so well internationally, and all of them have really resonated deeply with the diaspora audiences. And so that makes you, in a sense, a global movie star. But I've known you never to chase or have an agency in Hollywood represent you there. You even did a film in the English language, but it was very much for the markets here when you did Buckingham Murders. But I've never known you to desire that and chase that. It's almost like it's not that you have an aversion, but you haven't chased it. Is there a reason why you haven't, or it just didn't organically happen?
I don't know. I think that it's just maybe organically also never happened. And like I said, that films are a passion to me. I always say, to mere ragon mein daud raha hai, films. I've been born into this family. I know times are changing, and maybe, of course, like Vijay just said, collaborating is what is the next step, forward. So, I never say never, but chasing something is something that is not, as you know, part of my personality. And if it has to happen, maybe a Hindi-English film will happen. You never know, because like I said, that even Steven Spielberg is watching our Hindi movies today, so you never know.
Yeah. It might happen. Like, as I said recently, it was such a huge honor for us to have Martin Scorsese be an executive producer on a film that we have produced, called Homebound, directed by Neeraj Ghewan. And the fact that he had bona fide notes, contribution to a Hindi language film. It was such a huge honor to hear his inputs, that came in. And you just know that it is that one moment where you feel like cinema has truly come together.
I was actually in a restaurant when I was traveling somewhere, and Steven Spielberg was eating in the same restaurant. This was many moons ago, obviously, when Three Idiots had just released. He actually came up to me and told me that, are you the girl who's in that very famous Indian film about the three students? I said, yes, that's me. He said, my God, I love that movie.
Wow.
So, I didn't have to act in an English film for him to see it. He's watched Three Idiots. So that is, I think, a moment for us, you know.